Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I will now be replacing the ink of my HP 4520 printer inks. They are almost gone, but it doesn't print anymore. To remove this one, this is the old one, this is the color, this is the black. So the replacement for the color is this one, Extra XL. The replacement for the black is this one. So to replace this one, you just open this one up, and you could bring this one out already. Okay, and to replace it, it will be the same. This is the new one now, that's the old one. So we'll do it like this. Okay, and it's just like that. The color is replaced already, so we'll remove the old black. Okay, this is the old black, and this is the new black. Oh, just make sure, guys, that the number on the inks will be the same as what will you be replaced. Okay, so this is X63, XP63, this is XP63. Okay, so to replace the black one, just insert it like this. Okay, then that's it. Okay, and we are ready to go. Okay. Oh, the printer is previously used genuine cartridge installed. Okay. Okay. Load plain paper and tray, then touch okay to start. Okay, we'll try to check this one. Okay, yes. We click yes. Load plain paper and paper tray. Then touch okay to start. Okay, we are now aligning the printer. Okay. Since we are installing a new ink, the printer needs the new inks installed to be realigned. We can't do anything about it. It's a computer generated, it's controlled by the microprocessor. So we are now aligning the printer. This is HP 4520. The printer is printing something, so then we'll try to see if it's perfect or not. Okay. Okay, the printing is perfect. Okay, the printing is perfect. So we have installed the ink correctly. Okay, the cartridges are set to default print quality, that's okay. Click OK. We are scanning the alignment page. The alignment page was not detected, that's okay. Okay, print. This is HP 4520. We could use this printer as wireless, or we could use the USB connection. To be on the safe side, for me, I use the USB connection. I don't want the wireless thing because that wireless thing might be hacked, you know. From your cell phone to the printer, the man in between could hack your document. So if it's a sensitive document, it's very dangerous. So for me, if I'm printing a sensitive document, I use this printer by using the USB connection. Okay, it's perfect. We doubled it. Okay, good morning from Los Angeles. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. These were the old inks I replaced, so I bought a new one. Okay, same number, HP63. I got a good deal. This is extra large, and the price is very good. Okay, good morning from Los Angeles.